Good morning. What we're demonstrating here, I have a OE 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord 2.4 Mitsubishi regulator that we're testing here. And you see that right now we got the COM02 tester set up with a regulator tester to show that we can change the communication cycle. So right now we're at 14.7, and I'm going to hit the switch, and we're going to go to 15.5, 15.7 within your any meter that within 0.3 of a volt is accurate. So what we're showing here is the demonstration of you can test the regulator on the outside of the unit. What I'm going to do here is remove the stator signal, and you'll see that what happens is that the battery light from our tester will turn on, the voltage regulator will shut off, and on our COM02 box we showed the mechanical and electrical error code because the communication was from the stator signal was interrupted. So now we connect it back up. You see that the regulator starts working again, the battery light goes out, the error codes go off, and this is a LIN 2.1. The Hondas are two LIN 2s, but this is a LIN 2.1 OE with a binary code of 29. All right, and we appreciate it, and we're going to show you the demonstration of our regulator next. Okay, now here we demonstrating our VRH 2009-208. It's the Honda Accord 2.4 regulator for 2013 to 2017. And as we demonstrated on the OE regulator, that we're going to demonstrate on ours is that it's exactly a LIN 2.1, just like the OE was. Our binary code is 29, just exactly like the OE was. And what we're going to do here is we're going to change the voltage setting, the communication. So we punch switch 2 first time. You see that the voltage is changing. The communication signal was received. And now we're going to 12.5. As you see that the regulator does communicate to 12.5 and 13.5. So we're exactly, all of the communication is working correctly. I will demonstrate removing the PS signal on this regulator also. The battery light does come on, the voltage regulator shuts off, and the mechanical and electrical error comes on just like the OE. So we connect it back up. Our battery light goes out. The regulator communication error codes go away, and we're back to charging, and everything's working properly now. So you can test this regulator with a voltage setup and everything outside of the unit, and works perfectly. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.